पहला सवाल, ऑन विच रिवर इन इंडिया वॉज द सोमासिला डैम बिल्ट? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा पेनार रिवर। What is the name of the centrally sponsored scheme related with literacy that was launched by the government of India in March 2023? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा न्यू इंडिया लिटरेसी प्रोग्राम। Which kind of computer security requires verifying the genuineness of the individual or organization that wants to access a system? Authentication. Which clause of Article 20 incorporates the doctrine of double jeopardy? तो इसका आंसर होगा 2। Dash is a significant festival of the Parsi people who practice Zoroastrianism as it marks the birth anniversary of Zoroaster. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका खोरदाद साल। By which Ministry of Government of India was the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana started? Ministry of Rural Development. According to the Census of India 2011, which state has the largest gap between the male and female literacy? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा राजस्थान। Who among the following was appointed to the UN Tax Committee in July 2021 as a member for the 2021 to 2025 term? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका रश्मि रंजन दास। The loss of water in the form of water droplets from leaves of plants is called guttation. As per Olympic rules, in the third game, badminton players change ends when a side scores dash point. तो यहाँ से आपका क्वेश्चन बहुत ही बेहतरीन पूछा है। 11. How many times has India won the South Asian Football Federation Championship as of December 2023? 9 times. इसका सही आंसर होगा। In MS Word, which feature allows you to create different header and footer for odd and even page in a document, different odd and even pages? Which theory describes the collective effects of changes in Earth's movement on its climate over thousands of years? Milankovitch theory. Who is the founder of modern microfinance? Muhammad Yunus. In which year was tennis included in the Olympic game? 1896. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court to protect the fundamental rights of the citizen? तो ये तो आसान होगा 5. Which of the following was the last dynasty of the Vijayanagar Empire? Aravidu dynasty. 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन है नहीं, इसका क्वेश्चन मेंशन नहीं किया गया। 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन पे आ जाइए। Who among the following was primarily an integral part of the Indian National Army? सुभाष चंद्र बोस। P.C. Mahalanobis is remembered as a major contributor of India's development path because he formulated the second 5-year plan. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा only B is true. A dash is a cloud of dust and gas inside a galaxy nebula. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 भी नहीं लिखा गया है। Who among the following is a famous classical dancer? तो आशा भोसले तो सिंगर है, सोनल मान सिंह, यही आपका सही आंसर हो जाएगा। Which of the following types of crops are shown after the end of monsoon season? Rabi crops. Match the following. वंदे मातरम, जन गण मन और तीसरा है ए मेरे वतन के लोगों। तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? देखो, वंदे मातरम किसने लिखी थी? बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय, यानी बी का हो जाएगा पहला, यानी पहले का बी। तो पहले का बी केवल दूसरे ऑप्शन में दिख रहा है, तो आप इसको डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो। बाकी जनगण मन किसने लिखी थी? रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर ने लिखी थी। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों प्रदीप ने लिखी थी। विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट रिसेंटली लॉन्च द राजीव गांधी सिविल अभया हस्तम स्कीम? तेलंगाना। इसका राइट आंसर होगा। Recently, which institute has received the Best Technology Award for its pioneer work in the field of horticulture science? Indian Institute of Spices Research. Remission of duties and taxes on exported products scheme recently seen in the news is a WTO compliant scheme of which ministry? Ministry of Commerce. Recently, which former Indian players were inducted into the International Tennis Hall of Fame in news ports USA? Vijay Amritraj and Leander Paes. Rapid Apophis mission for space safety recently seen in the news is a planetary defense mission of which space agency? European Space Agency.